Hi David. Hello. Correction on the idea about the mirror, and then I've now discussed some variations, and our proposal would be that what we need is basically a huge contrast between the interior of this case and the outside, where we would really want anything but white. So we're thinking maybe in the color scheme of the floor or of the wood that comes back, like for instance this here. So we said maybe we can do something with wallpaper, you know, kind of papier-mâché, the paper mask thing. Or Andy said, and I do really agree, the work that Marcel did here, where he's just tamponated this piece of metal, making it kind of disappear into the wood color. Let's just do that on the complete interior there. How much fun would that be? And that would really make that glass come out and really make a difference between the outside of the white surroundings and the nice thin wooden how would you call that? The lijsten, the wooden framing, and then have this inside, and then having a bit darker, we could put shelves in there, and even more of this stuff could go in and kind of blend into its background. So I hope you like our second option. Bye bye.